Namaste, I am Dr. Asmita Vele, Director Research at Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Ayurveda and Research Center, D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth deemed to be University, Pimpri, Pune. So today we will talk about the top 5 Ayurvedic herbs for diabetes and how to use them. Do you know, World Health Organization has supported the utilization of herbal remedies to combat diabetes. Diabetes mellitus, a disease described in Ayurveda as Madhumeha, is caused by the imbalance of all three doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. If neglected, the conditions have fatal clinical impacts. We use the synthetic anti-diabetic drugs prescribed by our physicians. But do they really help to cure diabetes? They merely help to control blood sugar levels. We become dependent on the drugs and forget caring for our own health. Do we take a conscious effort to cure ourselves by taking control of our lifestyle and food? Ayurveda exactly advises the same. Ayurvedic herbs provide better alternatives due to lesser side effects and low cost than conventional anti-diabetic drugs. First, let us look how diabetes is caused. It is a disease with complex permutation combination of various dosha and dusha, that is tissue elements, depending on the multiplicity of nidana, that is etiological factors. Madhumeha is one of the diseases which has been given prime importance in Ayurveda as it is included in Mahagadas, that is diseases difficult to treat. Increased frequency and quantity along with turbidity of urine is the cardinal symptom of prameha. Causative factors of diabetes are those practices that increase kapha and vitiate dusha. These factors mainly cause an excessive burden on metabolism at the cellular level, resulting in intermediate metabolites. The compromised metabolism leads to excess production of meda, kleda, lasika, mutra, sveda and deposition of meda at various sites. What are the top 5 Ayurvedic herbs for diabetes and how to use them? Amalaki, Phyllanthus imblica, commonly known as amla. It is a widespread herbal remedy used across India. With its antioxidant, analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, it is used in the treatment of various disorders like diabetes. Intake of 25 ml amalaki juice added with 3 grams of turmeric powder twice a day before food is useful in the management of prameha or diabetes. Let me caution you here, if you are taking metformin, be careful about having this remedy. Next drug is Acaranthus aspera, that is Apamarga. Apamarga, known as prickly shaft flower, is attributed to increasing lifespan as it has the ability to manage all kinds of diseases caused due to thirst, hunger, organ defeat, sterility and some more ailments. For the management of diabetes, 3 gram each of Apamarga seeds and methi, that is fenugreek, is taken early in the morning on an empty stomach along with 1 cup of warm water. This is very effective against diabetes. Bhumyamalaki, Phyllanthus neruri. A literature survey reveals that Bhumyamalaki has been used to treat diseases like jaundice, gonorrhea and diabetes. 10 gram of the whole plant of Bhumyamalaki paste boiled in 100 ml of water. Reduce it to 25 ml. Administration of this decoction orally twice a day is very effective in diabetes. Bilva, Aigel marmelos, commonly known as bale. This Bilva Patra Ghana has a significant hypoglycemic action and it has been proven effective in treating type 2 diabetes mellitus. Take 50 ml of leaf juice once a day before food to manage diabetes and reduce excess urination. Guduchi, Tinospora cordifolia. Guduchi is one of the most versatile rejuvenating herbs. It possesses numerous therapeutic activities. Madhumeha Hara, that is anti-diabetic properties of Guduchi, are highly appreciated in Ayurveda and even in recent modern research. The whole plant is crushed and juice is extracted. 10 ml juice is given 3 times daily before food, which is very effective remedy to control the glucose levels. Diabetes is a chronic lifestyle related metabolic condition that hits a significant portion of the population. Understanding the symptoms, causes, risk factors and treatment options is vital for effective management and prevention of complications. By making lifestyle modifications, monitoring blood sugar levels and following medical advice, individuals with type 2 diabetes can lead healthy and fulfilling lives while keeping their condition under control. It is essential to take advice from a medical professional before making any lifestyle or dietary modification for a healthy lifestyle. Click on the link in the description to access more Ayurveda related content, and for more Ayurveda hacks, keep watching me with Live Ayur.